Logo. Usually you want to put some logo into your banners to make them branded. Let's look how it's better to do it in Figma. For example, we already have some variant of logo. Usually there is some. If it's not, you have to create it. It is an image with a transparent background. It's better to use such images for logos. And we know that in the later we will use two variants of logos. Usually it's useful horizontal logos and vertical ones. Actually this one is horizontal already, so let's create a square logo right now. To do this, let's create a frame. Let's say 500 by 500. Let's fill it for now and copy paste this logo into this frame. Let's make it component logo square, and we will put this image into this frame. Let's scale it to fit. Okay, it will be like this. You see there is something over here. You can do two things. The most simple is just to cut this image. You select it and there is a crop image tool. You do like this and press enter. That's it. You have your name over here, and we want to use this little image, this icon as well. In this case we make it much bigger. Okay, like this. Actually now we can crop it before. Time. Okay. Do like this. And that's it. Now it's more handy. It's easier to operate this sign. Okay, for example, we create such logo. And after that, we can make the filling transparent or to remove the filling. Okay, so we have a square logo, and let's say we want to create a horizontal logo of an exact ratio, for example 4:1, and we will create a frame 400 by 100. Okay, well, let's double it. 800 by 200. Okay, and let's copy paste this image into our logo. It's over here. And let's adjust an image to fit our new size. We will make it component. We will name it logo for like this, and I will fill it for now to better align our image. Okay, now we can remove the filling. So we have our two logos, and actually we can use them in the future. If you want, you can make these words in 2 lines in a square logo. Obviously, you have to crop these once again, even 2 times, to have a perfect word and a word sound separate, and to paste them one above each other, one on the top of another. And as you see, when we use logos in the banners, usually we want to have this to fit any background. So in this case, for example, we want to create 2 logos, 200 by 200 and 400 by 100. 200 by 200. Okay, and 400 by 100. Okay, so these were just logos, and we can use these logos inside our components. And these components are logos as well, but these are exact size. Okay, probably I moved this icon outside the logo. Yes, so I have to move it back. Okay, and now if I copy paste this logo, I will do like this. I will name it logo 200 by 200. Okay, and I will move this logo into my 200 by 200. Okay, and now I will fit the image. I can do it like this, and now I will make it component again. So as you see, we use nested components, and I will make it semi-transparent, for example 50%. Actually not this, I will make the filling semi-transparent. So I don't want my logo to be transparent, I just want its background to be transparent. And I will add round corners. Okay, so I can use this logo at my banners. And I will do the same with a horizontal logo. I will paste my logo into here and fit the size. After that, I will name this one logo, and I will make the filling semi-transparent, and I will make round corners. Maybe it's too much, but this is okay. Okay, like this, and I will rename this logo to its actual size, 800 by 200. Now it's okay, and I will make the horizontal logo component. So as you see right now, I have 2 components for the logos that I can use at my banners, and I made a semi-transparent background for them. So if I want to place them at some background that is noisy, or colorful, or very contrast, this semi-transparent background saves my logo from being not readable, and I can put them at any banners and these logos will be readable on them. Okay, and let's make a variant of this horizontal logo being like this with one round corner. So this logo will fit top left corner of the banners, because usually it's empty from some technical icons that are added by Google or by some other advertising platform. So this is the perfect place to put your logo. Okay, I will copy paste this logo. I detach it because I want to create my new component. So now I get my corners back to 0 around, and I will make this third corner to 30. And after that I will rename the frame, for example top left, and after that I make it component again. So now I have 3 logos for different situations. If I want to create another one, for example for bottom left corner, you know how to do it. Okay, this is how we deal with logos. If you don't have logo with a transparent background, you just have to use what you have. But sometimes it's better to draw a new logo. You can do it in Figma by combining image and a font, or you can do it in Photoshop or whatever you use. So if you have logos with transparent background, it's always better than if you don't. That's it with logos. Let's move to the next lesson.